Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to save Google Drive files to the downloads folder on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Google. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Make sure you are signed into the account, go to Google Apps, click on Drive, and now navigate to a file that you wish to download. Let's just go to Getting Started. We have a file within that folder. Highlight, right click, download. This will now be saved directly to our downloads folder within Finder on a Mac. Minimize Google Chrome for the moment. Go all the way down to the dock. Again, go to Finder. Go to the downloads folder, and there we have Getting Started. If we open with preview for the moment, let's just decrease the size of the file itself, and there we have the file that was saved on Google Drive, now saved within our downloads folder on a Mac. So we can now quit preview. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.